Hey fellas, how we doing today? Alright, so first of all, let me apologize for not have posted a video in such a long time. I've kind of been busy. So today I'm about to wash the motorcycle, and before we do that, I always like to clean the chain first before washing the motorcycle, because the dirt from the chain, it kind of goes, it kind of splatters all over the rear alloy. So before I wash the bike, I like to clean the chain first. So I'm gonna show you a simple procedure for doing that. You don't need to remove the sprockets or anything. All you need is this pair of brush, this right here, and you're gonna need a cleaning agent. I like to use diesel. It's not actually 7-Up Nimbu, it's diesel or petrol, with whatever you like, but you don't use WD-40 or choke cleaners for cleaning the chain, because choke cleaner, it has acetone inside, it can damage your o-rings, and WD-40, it doesn't work, it doesn't clean as efficient as a diesel or petroleum. I like to use diesel, but if you want to use petrol, like I said in one of my previous chain cleaning videos, you might want to apply WD-40 immediately, because the petrol, it kind of sort of dries up the o-rings. So I like to use the diesel, and all you have to do is use one of these brushes and keep spraying the diesel. You can see I have put a hole inside the cap, and we're gonna spray the diesel. So I'm gonna show you a simple procedure. We're gonna start the bike, put it in first gear, and let the rear tire roll, and we're gonna spray, and we're gonna just put the brush right over here. Make sure to have a firm grip over here, because I had this another brush and it kind of got out of my hand. It slipped. You can see it. I was kind of sort of doing this, and it got caught in the sprocket and it broke. You can see the difference between these two. This portion got cut off, so I bought this new one. So like I said before in previous videos, don't use hand or any brushes. Don't manually touch the chain, because in first gear your bike has a lot of torque. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. For comparison, let me show you the previous condition of the chain. You can see there's a lot of dirt and dust all over the chain on both the sides. So just for comparison, I will show you what it looks like after the cleaning. So all we're gonna do is start up the bike and put it in first gear. Alright, so we're done. You can see the amount of dirt that came off. Alright, so this is the color of the chain, as you can see after cleaning, and it kind of looks clean now. And let me show you the rear sprocket as well. So the purpose of cleaning the chain first was, as I told before, you can see the condition of rear alloy, so we can just wash it off. There's a lot of residues over here, so you can see the amount of dirt that came off the chain. So we're gonna clean that as well. So now we can start cleaning the bike. And before we do that, in my previous service video, I forgot to mention, before you're about to clean the bike, make sure to disconnect one of the battery terminals. Very important. So you can reconnect this terminal after you're done cleaning the bike. So I kind of forgot this portion in my service video, so make sure to do that. So after that, after we're done washing the bike, we will lube the chain. I will show you that technique as well. So I'm done washing the bike, and here you can see the color of the chain. It's pretty clean now, and I'm about to lube it. The sprocket is clean as well, the alloy, and I like to use this C2 Motul C2 chain lube. Try to avoid those engine oils or gear oils. They don't work at all, because these C2 chain lube, it has sticking property. You know, when your bike goes past 120 kilometers per hour, these chain lubes, they stick to the chain. Those gear oils or engine oils or some cheap ass roll-on, I don't know, that those chain lubes, they start to wear out, and you know, your sprocket, it starts to spit them out. So I like to use this C2 Motul C2 chain lube, and you just only need to spray a single layer of chain lube over here, because if you over lube it, you know, same is gonna happen. It's gonna spit out, and it's gonna deposit all over your rear alloy. So I'm gonna show you. You don't need to start the bike for this. You can manually spin the tire for this one. So alright, so you can manually just spin the tire in any direction you like, and just spray a single layer of it. Alright, don't over lube it, or it's gonna end up on your rear alloy. And that's it. The chain is still making some noise because I've tightened it too much. So I'm gonna spray a single layer on the outer surface as well. Right, that's it. We're done. You can see the sound has disappeared. Now we're good to go. And I like to do it after every washing, and you know, 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, doesn't matter. Really depends upon the your riding environment and the dust your environment is having. So I like to do it after every washing. So it's good to go. You can hear the noise. Practically disappeared. And here's the oil cooler. Many people have asked me to give an update, so here it is, fitted inside the fairing. So the paint is starting to wear off, but it's not a big deal. I mean, I'm gonna use aluminum grill over here, because the tire is spitting out a lot of gravels, and it is hitting straight into the oil cooler. Let me turn the flash on. So you can see the location. It's kind of challenging. Let me get the other side. You can see, I mean, it's pretty good. Here the paint is starting to wear out, but it's not a big deal. It's working just fine, because previously when I go down below 50 kilometers per hour, the fan used to turn on, but now it's not. So I think it's working pretty good, and the engine vibration is quite less than it used to be. So let me know what do you think about this method of cleaning, because it's quite efficient, and if you do it regularly, your chain is gonna, here's the close-up, it's gonna put some life into your chain, and because these chain sets are not cheap to buy. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this method of cleaning. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, folks. Goodbye.